All right, guys, it's Paul Singh, the Market Speculator with bullsonwallstreet.com, here with the free weekly swing trade report for January 23rd, 2017, Monday. Today, we're going to talk about earnings breakouts. It's a good time to talk about this because we're in the midst of earnings season here. A lot of the stocks I actually like on my focus list have earnings coming up, and I don't like to trade before the earnings or hold through earnings. So if earnings are coming up in about a week, maybe even 2 weeks, I might not take that trade because I want to be out of it before the earnings release. When you go into earnings releases, you're basically just gambling, and sometimes you hit it big, sometimes you don't, but usually the times you don't are going to crush you more than the times they do. So I stay away and wait for patterns to develop after the stock breaks out or breaks down. So let's talk about that today. I have 5 stocks on my earnings breakout list. Earnings have been going on for about a week and a half now. Usually starts off really slow and then it starts to pick up. This week, we really start to pick up. We're seeing a lot of the metals and some other stocks starting to report here this week. And then the following week, the week after this week, we've got Facebook, Amazon, Google, all reporting February 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, and then a ton of other stocks. Netflix has already reported. We're going to see that on our list here. So pay attention to these stocks that break out and the patterns that develop afterwards. In the boot camp, we talk about 3 of the 7 different patterns that I trade after earnings. Let's start with SWKS. We got this big breakout here over a range. Huge volume. This is exactly what I'm looking for here. SWKS. It's a semiconductor stock. As of late, semiconductors have been leading the market, so we'll put this one on our list here. Now, I'm not going to trade it right now. I need to see a pattern to develop, but looking pretty good, is going to be on our watch list. MSM, this one broke out over a week ago here. Same thing, over a range, heavy volume. We have a pattern developing right now. I really like this pattern. It broke this range that was developing and is over 100. I think I could even take a shot right now if I really wanted to, but I've got 9 positions on right now, so I'm not in a rush to take anything, but I'm really liking MSM here. Alcoa, not the classic breakout, but I do like that it's above the range here. Has made a little run, needs to consolidate, but definitely on my list here. Netflix, big breakout. I don't like the way it closed, but we'll watch the pattern develops here. And you know, on some of these, you'll actually get a short. If you look at Netflix back here in October, it was a fantastic short setup that we took here after the little run up. So we'll be watching Netflix here. And then finally, railroad stock CSX. Railroads after CSX's huge earnings here are in play. And we can see here with CSX, again, same pattern we're looking for. Huge volume, big breakout. We're getting a consolidation here, and we'll see if we get any entries coming forward. I'm going to continue to do this, monitor earnings breakouts every day, and then eventually look to trade them. You know, I put them on my list, and I might not trade them for a week or a month after they actually get on my list. The pattern needs to emerge, but we've got a good starting point for a list here. By the time earnings season is over, we've only got 5 right now. I will likely have over 100 stocks on that breakout watch list. So that's it for the weekly trade report today, guys. Keep an earnings breakout list. Look for potential setups to trade, and I'll see you guys next week. And maybe next week we actually do have some of these that we've actually taken trades in.